Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an interactive chart in MS Excel. So this is an interactive chart. Interactive means if I change the month here, so its data changes. I have added some, these are the vehicle and this is the kilometers covered. For different months it changes the, okay. So I have added just two sheets. On the one sheet it is graphical representation, and on the other sheet this is the sheet from where I am taking the data. So I will make two more sheets to show you that how to make this. So I will move this back. Now I'll copy this data from here. Okay. Okay, this is the data. I will make the commands visible here. Okay. Okay, you can type this data for the training. Just write bus 1, bus 2 here, vehicles numbers, and just write 12 months here, and write in 3 columns 10, 20, 30, just hypothesis data, and then copy paste the data on the rest of the columns. So in order to make this interactive chart, the first step is copy this and paste this over here. After this, I will go to the second sheet. Here I will make the dashboard. In order to make the dashboard here, I will enter, click data and data validation. Okay, then click here and select list. Okay, in the source click here and move to the sheet here and select these months and press enter. So you will see that the data from those 12 months has come here. Initially you will see blank here, but if you click this arrow you will start to see the months. Okay, to display these months here in this cell, press equals and go to the sheet and click here. It will not be click here, you click the cell adjacent to this and move with the key arrow to this and press enter. You can see here that it has started to show the month here. Now I am going to write the code here, just one line code, one line, don't worry, one line code here, and then I will copy rest of the code here to make this chart. Rest is the graphical cosmetics. So in order to, I will write the code using the index and match functions. So press equals. Okay, before this I will increase its size so that it is visible. I'll increase it to 20. Okay, press equals here and write index. Double click here IND index, and then in the index select this and press F4. Remember to press F4. It will change like this and will select the absolute value. What are the absolute values? By pressing F4 you can separately see in the Google. Okay, after pressing this, comma, match MA, and this will come up. Double click this match and then click this, and don't press F4 now. Comma, select this range and now press F4. Okay, comma 0 for exact match, bracket close, comma again match for the second input, double click this, and this time select this one, April, here. Okay, and this time you are going to press F4 so that it stays the same value, comma, match, comma, and then select these months. F4, remember F4, comma, 0 and 2 times bracket close, enter. Okay, good. Just pull down from here and it will copy. Oh, it's copied. So you have written all the code. Okay. Now what we are going to do is going to make a 2D graph. Select these values including this month, April. Insert the graph 2D from here. Okay, this one. Select it and cut this graph from here. Cut and paste in the sheet, second sheet where we are going to make this. Move it a little down here, and you may expand a little to give it a good look. Okay, press this plus sign and remove the grid lines from here, uncheck and check the data label. So this will give the data label here, and then click this, any of the escape, all these bars should be selected. All bars selected, right click, data validation, and from the data validation move this slider here to make them this type. Okay, change their colors also, select them, and from the format above change their color. This one should be okay. You can select your own taste. No outline and shadow effect, shadow, and this one outer here, this will give a shadow effect. Now select this data here, close this down, move a little, select this data here and press delete. We don't need this. Select this down data, increase its size, home, increase its size to around 16 should be, or maybe make it bold. This should look good. Format, and 3 things: fill shape, no fill, outline, no outline, and third thing, shadow, this one. Okay, same thing to this month, no fill, no outline, and shadow effect. Same tips thing to, or you can okay, same thing to these small. Click one and these all will be selected. Same 3 things: no fill, no outline, and the shadow here. Okay, now increase their size to 14 bold so that they look little bigger. Month size can also be increased and bold, and its color should be black is good. Okay, after this you can move little here. After this insert a shape to give its heading. Shapes, this one is okay. No, this one is not good. Insert shape, this one. and color, let it have this color. Insert, let it have this color but no outline, and same effect. Insert, no, inside this insert text. From here insert this one, text, and we insert text here. In that vehicles data we write vehicles data. Click the line, make it bigger, make it bold, click the center, and the downward center should look good. Then again 3 things to it: format, click format, no fill, no outline, and the shadow effect should look good. Okay, now what you do is click here, select all seeds and uncheck this grid line. View, first click view and uncheck this grid line. Then click home and change the fill color. I think this should be good. Okay, now we are reaching closer to our target. What was our target? This was our target. Okay, now here change its color, format, and shape fill should be this one. Okay, we are almost done. This is our target, this. Okay, you can increase its size also. Click home, increase its size a little bit, bold. Okay, now I think this is what. Okay, click this shape and 3 things, apply same 3 things here: format, shape, no fill, outline, no outline, and effect, shadow effect. Okay, now see that, compare it with this kilometers. Okay, click on this outer one and click this yellow dot and move it little inside so that it has a roundel effect. If you want to increase a little bit size, looks good now. Okay, check that everything it's like this. If you want to increase the size, you can pull it down here. Looks good. Now go up and click this arrow and click this auto hide. You can present it like this. Okay, move it little down, make it little bigger, move this one also down. Okay, your interactive chart is ready. You change the data here, month here, and it gives you, you can present this data sheet, and that person you are presenting is not seeing the data, and it's you. That's it. Your interactive chart taking the data is ready.